John Bob, I'm so bored. What do you think we should do today?
I don't know. This chicken's actually really looking pretty good. How about we just do random sound effects and put it on YouTube? I can't wait to eat you. Hey, you get back here, you little guy! Hey, hey! No! Man, that was a good friend and a cop. I remember this one time you went to KFC and beat up the waiter. It was so good. Well, since he's still there, I'll just see him. Was he made out of chicken? Oh yeah! I just finished that video and I can't wait to upload it to YouTube, because after I do that, I'm gonna have a deliciousness snack of chicken. Oh yeah! But first I need to type in my password and stuff like that. Alright, I'm done! Hey! What happened to my chicken?